Imagine a machine so powerful it can lift the heaviest loads on Earth into the sky. Yes, today we introduce you to the world's most powerful mobile hydraulic crane, the Liebherr LTM 11200. This monster is called the LTM 11200, an engineering marvel that can lift up to 1,000 tons with ease. Its telescopic boom extends up to 100 meters, reaching even the tallest buildings. With 18 axles and a heavy-duty suspension system, this mobile fortress remains rock solid on any terrain. Liebherr's hydraulic system is more than powerful, it's unstoppable. Snowy fields, muddy roads, rocky slopes, this crane stays stable thanks to its advanced hydraulic pistons. It doesn't shake, it doesn't stop, it only works. This crane is used for lifting wind turbines, placing bridge sections, and moving material to the top of skyscrapers. Not every crane is a Liebherr, and not every job deserves this kind of power. Think it's hard to move something this big? Think again. This crane is modular, transported in parts on trailers and assembled on-site using its own hydraulic systems. Fast, safe, and smart. This is more than a crane. It's the peak of human innovation and strength. The Liebherr LTM 11200 is not just a machine, it's the future of lifting. When strength meets intelligence, anything is possible.